So before Griffin came out, advertised a couple of weeks ago, their helicopter, the mobile helicopter, I had actually seen one, probably the same one, being sold through an Asian company. It's called the iHelicopter, and this is it. It came today, and I've actually had it in the air a couple of times. It's kind of neat looking. It's small. It's very, very light. It has a little on-off switch right there. Actually, that's the charger. It has an on-off switch over here, and I've had it up in the air a couple of times, but I decided that I was going to go and if we're going to try to film this thing, that I actually go to somebody who actually knows what they're doing. So I'd like to introduce everybody. Here's my father-in-law, Mark, who, Mark is actually a pilot. Alana's in my second date. We actually flew down to Cape May in their Cessna at the time.
Not a helicopter.
Mark has not a helicopter. So Mark has the app going. So I'm going to let Mark play with the helicopter, and we're going to see how he does.
Be fair and tell him it's my first time.
So I haven't actually let him touch it before. By the way, that's damage from Irene. I haven't let him touch it yet. So Mark, here we go. All right, go for it.
Give it my best.
All right. Here it goes. It's up. It's up. Whoa! Hold it. Whoa! Hey, I'm afraid.
Ow.
Boom!
Hold it, why did it go off? Okay, and I'm going to try it with the joystick.
Okay, so we moved locations. Let's get a close-up look, because I don't know how much longer it's going to last when Mark keeps crashing it. My mother-in-law just said she thinks I should return it. It's worth the $50 already. Ow! 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 Ow!
You better return it before someone gets hurt.
Let me see if I can do that again. Knock you off your feet.
Let's try it again.
I think Dan better return it.
All right, we're going to try again. There you go, Dan. All right, you get the hang of it now. You're managing to maneuver it.
Oh!
Uh-oh, 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 uh-oh.
All right.
Well, it's got the strobes are on and the lights are on. So you would think it might do something. There we go. Wow.
Come on, come on, come on.
Don't let it crash. Oh.